డేంజర్ బాయ్ హీరోకి ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. ఆయన తెలుగులో మాట్లాడి ట్రై చేస్తుండు, విందాం ఆయన మూవీ సక్సెస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం హైదరాబాద్కి వచ్చి మనందరినీ చూసి చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. నాకు అసలు తెలుగు రాదు. ఈ మట్టి కోసం, మట్టిల జనాల ప్రేమ కోసం ఒక 4 మాటలు నేర్చుకుని వచ్చాను. ఇక్కడ నుంచి నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ లో కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను, క్షమించండి. 4 మాటలు నేర్చుకుని వచ్చాను అంటే. But all the lovely people, respected people on the dais, and all the wonderful Telugu people here and the press and media. First of all, we're very happy to be here. I mean, the welcome, which was very unexpected. I never thought we'd have such warm welcome here. And Telugu cinema, we always love Telugu cinemas. We love the Telugu stars. We told about Pawan Kalyan sir, and we all love him. We all love the swag that he has. We have been following all the stars. Maybe NTR garu, Adu garu, Ramjan. I am a fan of all those people. I've been watching them. So, and I'm very happy to be here. And Abhayagri Echarike, the Kannada cinema, which was a huge blockbuster in Karnataka, it is coming to you all. And the very wonderful thing about Telugu people, the Telugu industry never let down any good cinemas. Telugu people have always supported good cinemas, from whichever language it might have come. But good content cinema, good quality cinema has always been appreciated in Telugu language. And we have come to seek all of your blessings, and I hope definitely you all love the film and song, which is wonderful in Telugu. In the morning when my producer showed me the song, I was telling him this looks more beautiful in Telugu. This is very wonderful is what I'm saying. And definitely this is going to be a big hit, and thank you very much for all your support, sir. And I hope the Telugu crowd will love this. And definitely Abhayagri Echarike 2 will be done originally in Telugu.